iSupport Purchasing Features and Setup. If you have the Service Desk edition, you can use iSupport's purchasing functionality to track products and services, submit purchase requests, and associate orders with work items. When entering work history in the Incident, Problem, and Change screens, you can add or deduct a charge on an associated purchase order. You can enable automatic creation of asset records if all of the expected quantity for a line item on a purchase order is received. You can require a purchase request to be approved before most functions can be performed and set conditions for initiating an approval cycle. You can use custom purchase templates for standardized or frequent requests with similar content. Custom field defaults, approvals, attachments, and more can be associated with a template. iSupport's Service Catalog functionality utilizes purchase templates for customer requests of services, products, policies and procedures, etc. Cost centers and job functions can be associated with customers and companies for use in purchasing reporting. To get started with configuring purchasing functionality, ensure that asset functionality is enabled and then enable purchasing in the Feature Basics configuration screen. Product records are grouped by asset type, so you'll next need to configure asset types via the Asset Management tab in the Feature Basics screen. Use the Purchasing tab in the Feature Basics screen to set options for work history, defaults for the purchase request screen, and more. Next, designate vendors. You can enable a customer to be a vendor via the Customer Profile screen, a company via the Company Profile screen, and a support representative via the Support Representative Profile screen in Configuration. You'll be able to associate products with these vendors in the next step. Use the Product screen to create product records using predefined asset types and vendors. Access this screen via the Create menu on the desktop. If you have vendor product data in a Microsoft Excel.xls file, you can import it via the Vendor Product Import screen in Configuration. You can optionally use the Cost Centers and Job Functions screen to define cost centers and associated job functions for use in purchasing reporting. Associate cost centers with customers and companies via the Customer Profile and Company Profile screens. If you wish to require approvals for purchase requests, use the Approval Cycles screen to configure approval cycles and designate approvers, statuses for each cycle, and notifications. Approval cycles are initiated via purchasing rules, so use the Rules screen to configure the conditions and actions upon which an approval cycle should apply. You can also use rules to send notifications and change purchase order values. Be sure to add the rule to a rule group. You can use the Purchase Request Templates screen to create purchase templates for frequent requests with similar content. You can use the Service Catalog screen in Configuration to create a multi-level list of request links utilizing purchase and change templates. That's it for an overview of iSupport purchasing features and configuration. If you have any questions, be sure to consult the online help. Our support team is available for a more in-depth walkthrough. Contact them via email at support@isupport.com and via phone at 360-397-1099. They're available from 6 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST Monday through Friday, and from 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. PST on Saturdays and Sundays for critical system failures such as installation errors, inability to log in, or inability to create work items. You can also go to mysupport.isupport.com, iSupport Software's technical support website, to chat with support representatives, submit and view incidents, search the knowledge base, view facts, submit ideas, and participate in the user discussion forum.